I wonder why the black hole hasn't killed us yet. Maybe it was a sandwich to decide to spare all of us! Good point. We should say peanut butter as many times as we can. Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter.
Hey there, pal.
Yahoo!
So, no one can understand you, right? I can help you with that.
Hey there, Yosh bro. What's with the hat?
Just for style.
Oh, Yoshi, you can talk now? That's amazing! What is F doing? Oh, he's creating the next challenge!
How could my phone die?
Alright guys, time for the next challenge! Alright, your next challenge is to hit the button. So, each team has 3 buttons each. Whichever team hits their buttons first, win! And the others will be up for extermination. 3, 2, 1, go! How do you hit a button? Silly ice cream and mustard, it's as simple as hitting a button! So, you just get your hand ready to hit the button and... Ouch! Ouch! No, stop! Ow! Ow! Alright, Lemonade, it's just a button. You can press it. No one's gonna get in your way. Come on, just do it for your team. Press the button. Ah! Ouch! Vote in the community tab for who you want to be eliminated from each team. Whichever 2 contestants get the most votes